How to unrestrict someone on Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can unrestrict someone on Messenger. So first of all, open your Messenger app and now make sure you are logged into your Messenger account. And now once you're logged in, first of all, let us simply restrict someone. So let's say I want to restrict this person right over here. So in order to restrict them, open their chat and then tap on the eye icon which is in the top right corner of your screen. Now it will take you to this page where you'll have to scroll down, and there on the bottom side of the screen you can see 4 different options under privacy and support. So you'll have to tap on the second one, which is restrict. And now if you restrict the person, their chat will move out of your feed. You won't be able to see their chat on your feed. After that, your activity status will also be hidden from them, and if you want, you can unrestrict them anytime. So simply tap on restrict, and now that person will be restricted. Now in order to unrestrict someone, tap on the little 3 dots on the top left corner of your screen or your profile icon. After that, go to settings, and now you'll be landed to this page. Now in order to unrestrict someone, simply tap on privacy and safety. After that, you'll see the option restricted account, so simply tap on it, and now you'll be provided with a list of all of the people whom you have restricted so far. So now if you restrict someone, it will basically limit your interactions with them, as they won't be able to see your activity status, and their chat will also not show up on the feed. So that will limit your interaction with them. Now in order to unrestrict them, simply tap on their name, and on the bottom side of the screen you can simply see the option unrestrict. So in order to unrestrict them, tap on it, and there you have it. You have successfully unrestricted the person on Messenger, and now your chat will be back to normal as it previously was. So that is basically how you unrestrict someone on Messenger. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.